Hey guys, Rorie here from the Adventures of Cat and Rorie, and I want to do a little giveaway on our channel. So, as you know, I've been traveling a lot with Cat. We've been having a great time. Vlogs to come up soon. And during this time, I need something that would organize everything, and I'm one of those organizational people. So I picked up this Famebird travel case, and I'm not going to open this one because this is the one I'm giving away. But I have this one here, and I wanted to show you how much this holds. This zips up, and just because I'm doing this one-handed, I'm doing it this way, and it has quite a few compartments. These are actually removable, and you can adjust them to however you want because they're Velcro, but they're pretty sturdy. There's some cardboard in there that makes it sturdy, holds everything together. I have everything organized, like my little tools, brushes, bronzers. I mean, it goes deep. Like, I can probably pull all this stuff out and just see how much it is. Hold on. Because it's deep. Foundations, concealers, all of this stuff. Like, you can fit all of that in that one little compartment, which is awesome. I have all my eye stuff here. And, like, primers and lip glosses in here. So up here, this is like a really cool part of it. It does come with a little mini mirror. That's not in here right now. I have my like longer brushes right here because the standard brushes do fit in the pockets, but the longer ones are, I just didn't want to smush them too much. And in here, I have all my brushes. Here is a full scan of the inside of this bag. So there's a little surprise pocket on the inside, and this is where I keep my MAC Pro case. And everyone knows I like to depot. There's also a little secret compartment right here. It's a little messy in here, guys. I use this all the time. But this is my MAC Pro case with all of my essentials that I depotted. I put them in there, and it fits right in here. You would never be able to tell that it's there because it has so many compartments. That is the whole bag. It's beautiful when you shut it. It's compact. It's kind of like a packing cube. You can zip it up, put all your stuff in it, and it stays secure. So if you guys want to win a case just like this for your makeup, please just write down below how you're enjoying our channel and what you'd like to see. And at random in 2 weeks, I will pick a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.